Hey Weather Pals, meteorologist Brittany here. Today's forecast is calling for a snowstorm, but don't worry, this one's in a jar. We are going to make our very own snowstorm here at home. Here is what you'll need: a jar, some water, some baby oil, some white paint, some glitter, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. Go ahead and gather all of your supplies and then let's get started. First, you're going to take your baby oil and fill your jar up mostly with that. Next, you're going to mix some of your white paint with some water. And then just use anything you can find around the house to mix it. Now we are going to pour our water mixture into the jar. Okay, so now is for one of the more fun parts. We get to add the glitter. I chose blue and silver glitter. This is just to make it look more wintry, but you can really pick any colors you'd like. Now you may have already noticed this separation occurring between the water and the baby oil. That's because water and oil have different densities, so they don't mix. This is what helps make this experiment work. All right, let's add some silver sparkles. I have some light blue. And some dark blue. Some wintry colors. Oops. Okay, now time for the grand finale. Mixing in these Alka-Seltzer tablets is going to cause a reaction and you'll start to see some bubbles forming. Take out those Alka-Seltzer tablets and then drop them into your snowstorm jar. And look at that! The Alka-Seltzer tablets are causing a reaction, so you're seeing some bubbles of carbon dioxide form, and because it's taking that water and making a bubble, it's moving up towards the oil. Because water and oil don't mix, you're able to see these carbon dioxide bubbles look like a snowstorm in a jar. Did you know that no two snowflakes are the same? Just like people, every snowflake is one of a kind. Thanks for exploring weather with me today, Weather Pals. I'll see you next time.